How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about workers' compensation insurance rates here in Michigan and the factors that go into determining the premium for that coverage. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. Workers' compensation insurance is a state mandated coverage for businesses here in Michigan, meaning that most businesses with employees are required to carry it. The first factor that we will talk about that goes into calculating your premium is your payroll. The more employees that you have on staff, the more that you're going to pay for workers' comp. The insurance company takes your payroll and multiplies it by the rate associated with each employee's job duty, which brings us to our next factor, which is class codes. Every type of employee you have will have a class code associated with their job duties. So for example, if you are a plumbing contractor, the employees doing the actual physical labor, the actual contracting work, will have one code associated with them. The project managers, superintendents, folks like that will have a class code associated with them. Your office staff will have a clerical class code associated with them. And then if you have any salespeople as well, they'll have their own code. The payroll for each type of employee is then multiplied by the rate for their specific class code. And that is how your initial premium is calculated. Every insurance company will have their own rate associated with each class code, and depending on how comfortable they are with the risk exposure for that type of business, for that type of employee, is how they determine the rate. Some insurance companies out there do much better with higher risk classes of business than others. So it is important to make sure you are working with an insurance company that can get your particular business the best rate available. Because the industry you're in and the class codes associated with your business are a major factor in determining your rates, because some industries are simply more riskier than others. A construction company is going to pay more than an office-based business like a mortgage company, simply because the chances of injury happening while on the job are much higher. On top of all this, your business will also have what is called an experience modification factor, or simply an EMOD or MOD. And this number is based on your business's claims history. A MOD of 1.0 is seen as average for your class of business. And if your MOD is below 1.0, you're seen as being better than your industry standard, and you will actually receive a discount on your premium. And vice versa, if it's above 1.0, you'll actually have to pay more in premium than you normally would have. So for example, if your business has a 0.8 MOD, you will actually pay 20% less than you would have if you only had a 1.0 MOD. The last thing I do want to mention is that workers' compensation insurance is subject to an audit at the end of the policy period. The insurance company will actually review your payroll numbers to make sure they are accurate. So it's extremely important that you do keep accurate records and accurate reporting to the insurance company for these class codes for your payroll, because if your payroll was higher than expected, you will owe premium to the insurance company. But if it is lower, you could receive a refund or a credit to your next term. So again, it is important to make sure you have proper record keeping in place to avoid any large premium adjustments. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your workers' compensation insurance, with your commercial insurance program as a whole, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.